Using images with planes in Blender is a common technique for creating textures and adding visual elements to 3D scenes. Here's a practical example of how to use images with planes in Blender. Step 1. Launch Blender and create a new project. Step 2. Delete the default cube by selecting it and pressing the Delete key or right-clicking and selecting Delete. Step 3. Add a plane to the scene by pressing Shift+A and selecting Mesh Plane. Step 4. With the plane selected, go to the Material tab in the right-hand sidebar. Step 5. Click on the New button to create a new material for the plane. Step 6. Under the Surface section, click on the Base Color Input field. Step 7. In the pop-up menu, select Image Texture. Step 8. Click on the Open button next to the Image field. Step 9. Navigate to the location of the image you want to use, select it, and click Open. Step 10. The image should now appear on the plane in the viewport. Step 11. Adjust the scale and position of the plane to fit your desired scene composition. Step 12. To see the image rendered in the final output, switch to the Render tab in the top menu bar and select your desired render settings. Step 13. Press F12 or click on the Render button to render the scene and see the plane with the image texture. You can further customize the appearance of the plane and the image texture by adjusting parameters such as the mapping, tiling, transparency, and more in the material settings. This basic example demonstrates how to apply an image texture to a plane in Blender. You can expand upon this technique by adding multiple planes, adjusting their positions, and applying different textures to create more complex scenes with images. I hope this helps you get started with using images with planes in Blender.